Good morning, May 9th. Where's the grass, everybody? We'll tell you what, there ain't none. We've got plenty of moisture, but just cool temperatures here in southeast Michigan. You know, we need a couple days in the 70s to really get this grass to grow. Let me show you over there behind me. That's all the hay I got left. So I looked at, a couple parts of my pastures, and a couple of my pastures last couple years got overgrazed pretty heavy. We just had nothing but drought. So boy, that ain't helping either. I don't think a lot of my pasture overwintered real well. But I got another issue to deal with here. Let me turn the camera around. Look at this big beast down on the fence. Big, badass red oak tree. So here's how high it comes up. So it comes up to my chest. So it's probably 4 foot here off the ground. Every bit of a 3 foot diameter. So, and it's got a bunch of fence down the line just hugged against the ground. So I don't know, what would you guys do? I can't get in here to pull it out. I mean, there's no way I get a tractor in here. Plus, I don't got anything big enough to pull this beast. So, I am going to make this an end post. I'm going to come back up here. Got some hay to go deliver now. But I'm going to put insulators on this. And, yeah, make this an end post. Both just going to have to splice the wire right here. And, come up and do that. So I had a sense the voltage over here was a little bit low. The poly wire on the electric fence gates wasn't snapping when it touched the ground. So yeah, so a little bit of fence repair. If you look real close, some of this annual ryegrass I broadcasted about 3 weeks ago is starting to finally come up. I was worried, we just haven't had warm soil temperatures. I mean, it's cold, cold and wet, but you can see it is starting to grow. So on this heavily trafficked, abused area, but I know everybody's in the same boat. I was saying everybody's in the same boat. I know in the whole Midwest area, at least, some of the Great Plains as well. Cold, wet spring, and 2 years in a row of very poor hay production. So yeah, all right, happy trails everybody.